How to create an account on Canada Post. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account on Canada Post. So to do that, first of all, go to either your Play Store or your App Store. And once you've downloaded the Canada Post app, simply open it. Now, as soon as you open the Canada Post app, it will basically provide you three different options. You can create an account, sign in if you already have an existing account, or you can simply continue as guest without logging in or signing in. So since we are here to create an account, we'll tap on the first option, which is create an account. And then it'll ask you to enter your email address, your username, and your password. So let me simply enter all of these over here. Now I'll add a username. And finally, I'll create a password of my own. Now, once you have entered all of these, tap on the option next. Now you'll have to enter your contact information such as your first name, last name, phone, country, street address, apartment or unit, city, province, postal code, etc. So I'll simply enter all of these. Now once you've entered all of these, tap on the option next. After that, you'll have to select two security questions and the answers for them. Now, once you've entered both of the security questions and the answers, simply accept the terms and conditions by toggling this bar and then tap on the option done. And just like that, you will have successfully created an account. Now you just need to activate your account by verifying your email address. So as you can see, I've already received the email address. I'll simply tap on the email, then tap on the option verify now. And then just like that, as you can see, it's saying your email is now verified. Now, once you use the same username and password to log in, you'll have successfully logged into your Canada Post account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.